Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Snapchat, Instagram, LinkedIn, all you social medias out there. How you guys doing today on this beautiful Friday? It is Friday, 1 o'clock, 101. So we are here showing you guys how our system works, our credit report restoration, how we're able to get and qualify a lot of people into houses very, very quick. We're using speed, technology, and our wisdom and knowledge and experience, and outbeating the competition. So, so here are both of my accounts. Because I am an affiliate. So I like to get paid for helping people do what I'm already doing and using. So I'll show you that a little bit right now. Well, let's go into that real quick. So I'm gonna log into that. So as you're logging in, it tells you the people that you have brought in. Or here's your form of where people you brought in, right? You submit it, you put up their information, number, birthday, their social. You put them in there, you click it, and boom, that's it. You get a commission, $100 commission. Then you go from here, you switch to your account, to your credit, the client, because I don't only am a provider, but I'm also a user of this same system. You have to be a product testimonial of the product that you're using. So here, as you log in, it's going to take you to the steps of what you have to do. We need to complete the credit report. Boom. And today, I'm going to show you guys how that thing works. But let me take a little quick thing. You go in here, you click it in the information, you get a report. Boom. You get your report, you put it up there, you get your numbers. And I'll show you that later on. Your proof of address, login credentials report. So here is my information. So it's logged in. So from here, I would just put in my number. I would just put in my security word and then just click it. And it would bypass everything. Okay, let me see what else. Let's go into that. So here, so far, there's no data because I want to show you guys live today how that works. Our number of disputes, how many we're going to dispute. You're going to be able to have track here. You're going to be able to dispute all of them by Equifax, TransUnion, Experian. You're going to be able to see them, everything. You're going to be able to have them in charts so you know what debt to income ratio is, what is your debt recovery ratio, all that information. Let's see, so here's how it works. Let's see what else. Let's go into my invoice. Let's see, credit information. Do I have credit? Okay, it has things. Let's see my invoices. How much the system is charged, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna show you guys how you don't have to pay that $7.99 all up front, and how it is beneficial for you guys. Dispute details, there's none there because I'm gonna do all this live to you guys today. So the reason why I'm showing you guys is because a lot of people have already received their income tax and are either very, very eager to spend it on a new car or on a house, or maybe even start up a business, depending where you are in life. However, they feel that credit might be a issue of them moving forward. Well, let's take away that doubt. Let us help you. Let us show you. Because not only that, we'll also create a presentation. We will also create a game plan for you. If you're interested, hit me up or send me a message or text me, 915-247-8784. Again, that's 915-247-8784. You could also call Claudia Salais or John Montoya. They are also aware of what we're doing and what we're pushing and how we're trying to help the community get more people to become homeowners, business owners, entrepreneurs, and be able to generate wealth for the city, the community, and our zip codes, and most of all for our families. So if this interests you, want to know more, well, send me a message or text me 915-247-8784. And again, we are going to be holding a cookout and a fundraiser. A fundraiser is to help the nonprofit APP-3. They are dedicated to help the elementary of Edgar Park with donations for some books. We have committed ourselves as well to donate up to $10,000 of the proceeds that we collect from not only our acid stain floors, but also from our products and services like the real estate, like the mentoring and coaching, like the credit repair restorations, the getting the people into homes program. All this stuff, they're getting a percentage. So without you guys, this is not going to be possible. So help us out, share, comments, subscribe, tag somebody, even if maybe this product is not for you. If you're not ready to buy a house, your dream house, or your car, or set up your business, cool. Maybe somebody in your group of influence might. So be a helping hand for others, and please like and share. Show us some digital love, man. That's all we ask for. Peace, love, and abundance, and tranquility, and blessings always be upon you and your family, coming from all directions of the world. Talk to you guys later.